After slitting and rewinding, the finished thermal paper rolls move into the final packaging stage. First comes the shrink wrapping process. Each roll is automatically wrapped with shrink film to protect the surface from dust, moisture, scratches, and damage during transportation and storage. Clean and secure packaging also improves product appearance and helps maintain consistent roll quality before delivery. After shrink wrapping, the rolls move to the carton packing section. Here, the finished rolls are counted, arranged, and packed into boxes. Preparing them for shipment to customers. A stable packaging process is just as important as stable slitting and rewinding, because even a perfectly finished roll can still be damaged without proper protection during transport. Efficient packaging not only reduces labor costs, but also improves production efficiency and keeps the entire converting process running smoothly. From slitting, to rewinding, to shrink wrapping and final carton packing, this is a complete thermal paper roll finishing solution designed for modern production lines.